dong, together forever like shoo-bop, shoo-bop-a-dop-a-dibbity-boom-be-doom. Clang, 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 shoo-bop, we'll always be together. Wow, yeah. Why are there so many songs about rainbows? And what's on the other side? Dear future husband, here's the little things that you should know if you want to be with me all of my life. Hey everyone, it's Mr. Will with Loog Nation, and yes, I really slaughtered all of those songs, but it was not about the lyrics that today's lesson is here for you. What's it about? Yes, strumming. If you noticed, I played the same 4 chords in all of those songs in the same order. So today we're going to learn a trio of songs, but the key is about strumming. Strumming is the unlockable treasure chest that we're waiting to have every time we learn a song. We want to discover what the strum is, because the strum is what makes the song. Clearly, from these 4 chords, the same 4 chords, we get 3 distinctly different songs because of the strumming. Yes, a little bit of count difference, but really it's the strum. So let's get into today's lesson about strumming. The first song is from the musical Grease, We Go Together. It's at the very end of the movie and or show, and it's a really fun song, and it's very fast. It's got a classic 50s doo-wop feel, which is what these chords are. G, E minor, C, and D. Great. Now you may hear other songs as I'm going through this lesson. You're right. Lots of songs were made with this classic 4-chord progression in this order. Okay, so we go together. We do go together. Hey, if you think we go together, hit that subscribe button. Ooh, that was pretty slick. You should do it. Hit that notification bell, like this video, share it with somebody who has a Loog or is thinking about getting one. We Go Together is down, down, up, down, up. All right, very fast. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. I want to hit the second down really hard. Notice that it's 1 bar of strumming for each chord. So we get down, down, up, 1, 2, and 4, and 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 all right, so that's a fast, syncopated 1 bar each chord progression for this song. There are a lot of other songs out there that only use 1 bar and a similar strumming pattern to create their song. I wonder if you can name a few. If you do, put it in the comment below. Our second song is Rainbow Connection. This is from the Muppet movie. This is showing my age, but I love that movie as a kid, and I think it's a great song. It's really fun to play on the Loog and guitar, so if you want me to do a whole lesson about this song, let me know. Put it in the comment below. All right, so we're changing our counting. Instead of doing 4 beats, we're actually playing 6 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, some purists out there may say it's 3/4 time, but I like counting to 6 because it helps me hit the first beat and the 4th beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice I'm just using down strums. Down, 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 down. Very similar to the other song, we're playing 1 bar each of the chords. Nice. Now there's some twists and turns later in the song, but this is about strumming, not about the specifics of the song. So that is overall the Rainbow Connection. Counting in 6, thinking in 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. all down strums. The final song I'm working on is a little more contemporary, still dated. Meghan Trainor's Dear Future Husband. This one has a different chord progression, and we use a different strum as well. Now, the chords are exactly the same. It's just the amount of time that we hold each chord that changes slightly. The strum is the same throughout the whole thing. It feels like a doo-wop, like the song from Grease, but it's got a little more of a cool mix beat going on. There's two different genres happening in this song. A little bit of a hip-hop pop along with a doo-wop. We mimic that by doing one, right? So I'm going to go one, stop, and I may even strum one more time, like something like that. And as well, we're playing G for 2 full bars, to E minor, to a C, then a D, back to G. This is actually an 8-bar phrase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2, 3, 4, 8, 2, 3, 4. All right, did you get that? Cool. So we're playing down, stop, up. So that stop, 1, stop, and stop, right? 1, 2, and 3, 4. You're stopping the sound on 2 and 4, which is really fun. Dear future husband, here's a few things that you should know if you want to be with me all of my life. All right, so now we've learned 3 different strumming techniques to create 3 different songs. Practice each one. Work on each song. And if you want extended versions of any of the songs, let me know in the comments below. I said it earlier. Do it. Talk to me. Like, I'm here. If these songs are not songs that you want to learn, tell me a song you want to learn. Community, I need you. I know that you're enjoying these videos because you're all watching them, and I love that. And if you're here to check out about the Loog, I've got videos that I'll share in the description and at the end of this video of reviews about the Loog and the Loog Fender version. I have a discount code for you all. You can use WILL10 and get 10% off your entire purchase. Do you need a strap? Do you need a hook for your wall? Do you want another Loog? Do you want a piano? Yeah, they make those too. And soon they're coming out with even better versions of electric guitars. And I'm excited to do reviews on that one as well for you. Hey, I hope you had a great time. Practice your strumming. Work on these 3 songs. Figure out if there's more songs with the same chords, G, E minor, C, and D. Anyway, guys, I love being here. I hope you're having a great time. If you need anything at all, well, you know what to do. I'll see you next time.